Yakai Dropshipping Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume dropshipping means long delays and complicated supplier management, but Yakai streamlines the process for e-commerce entrepreneurs. Yakai is a platform that connects Shopify and WooCommerce stores with suppliers, handling product sourcing, order fulfillment, and shipping. One standout feature is its real-time automation. You can import products, set pricing rules, and fulfill orders with minimal manual input. Most people get this wrong. They assume all dropshipping platforms are the same. The surprising truth is Yakai offers integrated quality checks, package branding options, and faster shipping compared to standard AliExpress alternatives. It even handles returns in some regions. Another advantage is product tracking. Both sellers and customers can follow orders in real time, reducing uncertainty and improving customer satisfaction. Yakai also supports bulk ordering and warehouse management for scaling businesses. However, there are considerations. Shipping costs can vary, especially for international deliveries, and profit margins may be tight without targeting niche products. Success still requires marketing, product research, and customer support. In conclusion, Yakai is a practical choice for dropshippers seeking automation, faster shipping, and supplier reliability. It's best suited for entrepreneurs willing to invest effort in marketing and scaling their store. Subscribe for more honest e-commerce and dropshipping reviews before launching your business.